Welcome to solverfy.
All right, for this problem, we're asked how many subsets of a set with 100 elements have more than one element. So to approach this problem, we're going to use the inclusion-exclusion principle. It's actually easier to figure out overall first. So I'll say step one, how many subsets are there? Excuse my chicken scratch writing. And then step two is to figure out how many have one or fewer elements, have less than one element. Or actually, I suppose less than or equal to one element. So, to answer the first problem, we can think about it as a series of tasks. So think of tasks. Now we have our set with 100 elements. I'm not going to try writing out 100 different things, but we have a whole bunch of these little elements here. And for each one, you have to decide to include it or exclude it. So we have to make 100 decisions with two choices each. For each decision, we can choose either to include the element or exclude it. So with two choices. So the total number of subsets is going to be 2 to the power of 100, which is an unreasonably large number to try to write out, so just leave it as 2 to the power of 100. Then for the second question, you have to think, as I said, how many have less than or equal to one element? So, first of all, how many have 0 elements? Might seem like a dumb question, essentially, but we do need to consider that whenever we're counting subsets, it's always possible to have the null set. It's always possible to say, well, a subset of this set with 100 elements is nothing. So we have one set with 0 elements, and then we'd have 100 sets with 1 element. So that means that overall, I'll say total, the answer to the question, number of sets with 100, or subsets of a set with 100 elements with more than 1 element, it's going to be 2 to the power of 100 minus 101.